feather on my arm, and every type of bad weather I feel it come, and every kind of bright ray you shine in the day. It never ever fly away, not for long.
I wanted my first kiss when I was 6. Used to play ding dong ditch when my crush crossed the crib, thinking that might have gave her a hint. But I ran like a when she asked me if I liked her friend. Had my first girlfriend at 16. It lasted a week. When I one day to the movies and I was knocking my knees from credit roll to the moment that they lit up the screen. But I still snagged the smooch just for being a dweeb. Got my heart broke a couple years later. Fell in lust with a boy playing part of Heartbreaker. Then found myself at the age 21. Who would've known stacking fruit on a shelf would've led me to love? That working on myself would've led to an us, and that would all fall apart in a couple of months. But it's all good, all that led me straight to your arms, and they're the only ones that I want.
I've got a feather on my arm, and every type of bad weather I feel it come, and every kind of bright ray you shine in the day. It never ever fly away, not for long.
And even if you do, at least I got to be with you, build a home together. Well, more precisely just a room that feels bigger than a mansion, more expansive than the truth, where we get to grow together, lightly love and have our feuds. It's been 5 years now, ups and downs is nothing new. Our routine setting, idiosyncrasies in tune. I know that flying away is something people simply do, but I hope you stick around, 'cause it's better spreading wings with you. I used to spread my wings on my own like I'd stay up through the whole night, putting pictures inside of boxes that I lived inside my whole life. Going through the motions, I arrived